A samurai should always be prepared for death, whether his own or someone else's. Where life is more terrible than death, it is then the truest valor to dare to live. Loyalty and devotion lead to bravery. Bravery leads to the spirit of self-sacrifice. The spirit of self-sacrifice creates trust in the power of love. Study hard and all things can be accomplished. Give up, and you will amount to nothing. I choose to live by choice, not by chance. 1,000 days of lessons for discipline, 10,000 days of lessons for mastery. To win any battle, you must fight as if you are already dead. Get beyond love and grief, exist for the good of man. Self-respect is the fruit of discipline. The true meaning of the samurai is one who serves and adheres to the power of love. One mind, any weapon. The way of the samurai is found in death. There will never be peace on earth until there is peace in us. Think lightly of yourself and deeply of the world. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.